Hello and welcome to the Foodie. Today we're going to make a sweet, salty, crunchy fruit salad. ज़्यादातर अलग-अलग रंग के fruits और vegetables में अलग-अलग तरह के nutrients होते हैं. And today we are making a fruit salad which your children are absolutely going to love because it has so many different colors in it, it has different types of crunch in it, it is sweet, it looks beautiful, and for your purposes, it's going to give them a power-packed start to their day without any cooking at all. We'll start with an apple. Now I'll remove the seeds from in there. I'm sure you don't like to eat seeds. I don't. A little bit of lemon over the apples, and it'll keep the color of the apples just as fresh as they look now. Give them a nice mix, and we're ready for the next one. Now to get some citrus action into our salad. I'm going to cut them into different segments so that it's easier to eat. Just toss that into the bowl. You know, this is one dish where you just go chop, 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 toss, 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 mix, 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 and then eat, eat, eat. And I'm taking the papaya here. We'll chop that as well. As you might have figured out, सबसे पहले मैं सारे मोटे-मोटे fruit के chunks काट-काट के अंदर डाल रहा हूँ. And after this, we'll do some of the smaller ones. लेकिन पहले बड़े-बड़े fruits को अंदर डाल देते हैं. And now for some luscious, juicy strawberries. And we'll put some grapes into the mixture. These grapes will add a touch of sour and a touch of sweet. In fact, काले वाले तो बहुत ही मीठे होते हैं. And now for some of the black grapes. These grapes are less sour and really, really sweet. Pomegranate seeds are going to add a touch of crunch and a bit of sweetness and very little sourness. This corn is the frozen variety जो आपको एक बार थोड़े से गर्म पानी में रखना होगा, and then it will be just plump and juicy and each one will explode in your mouth as you bite into it. The salad needs a little more crunch and some saltiness. वो आएंगे हमारे roasted peanuts के साथ. This is the very last one, crunchy and nutritious watermelon seeds. The last four ingredients are a hint of mint for a bit of freshness, and then we have some salt, and then we have a bit of honey, and then we have balsamic reduction. Balsamic reduction is this very beautiful thing. If you've heard of balsamic vinegar, which is this Italian invention, and it's utterly beautiful. It's a little sour, a little sweet, and all I can describe it as it's balsamic. उसको ना हम थोड़ा सा reduce करते हैं heat के साथ ताकि वो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा thick हो जाए. And that is what we use to dress salads and many other dishes, and it lends this beautiful sweetness to the entire dish. You've got to try it, and this is the best place to try it. You will love it. There goes our hint of mint, a sprinkle of salt, a little bit of honey. Now, doesn't that look absolutely beautiful? And then we have balsamic reduction. We need to mix this now to blend all the flavors inside. So, as promised, here's the nutritious, power-packed breakfast for your kids to give them a great start to the day. I'm sure your kids are going to absolutely love this. And when they do, please leave a comment down there. I'd love to know what they thought.